What's the best time to upload videos on YouTube? It's a simple question, and the answer is actually pretty straightforward. Still, this is one of the most common questions I see in the comments. In this quick video, we're finally answering the question, does upload timing really matter? Let's find out. Whenever there's confusion about YouTube strategy, the smartest thing to do is go directly to the source, YouTube itself. Inside YouTube Studio, go to Analytics and then open the Audience tab. There, you'll find a chart that shows when your viewers are most active on YouTube. This chart is extremely useful. Brighter bars mean more viewers are online, while darker bars mean fewer viewers are active. It's important to understand that this chart shows when your audience is active on YouTube overall, not specifically on your channel. Now, here's something important. Right below that chart, YouTube clearly says that publish time does not directly affect the long-term performance of your video. And that makes sense, right? If a video's success depended only on the upload time, that would be kind of unfair. So here's the first big takeaway. Upload time does not determine long-term success. If your video is good, the views will come whether you upload it at noon or at 3 a.m. However, uploading when your audience is active can help you get instant views, which feels great, of course. For example, if you upload at 3 a.m., most of your viewers are probably asleep. That means YouTube doesn't have many people to show the video to right away, so engagement will be low at first. But here's the important part. That doesn't damage your CTR or average view duration because almost no one has seen the video yet. Then, when people wake up and start opening YouTube, the algorithm begins recommending your video normally. So timing isn't everything, but it's not completely useless either. That audience activity chart actually exists for a reason. If you click Learn More, YouTube says it's mainly useful for live streams and premieres, where real-time viewers matter a lot. But what about regular uploads? Well, there are still a few reasons why timing can help. Take the subscription feed, for example. Videos are listed there in order of upload. So if your viewers scroll through their subscriptions tab, having your video near the top gives you an edge. Now, if you upload at 3 a.m. and a bunch of other creators post between then and 9 a.m., your video might get buried. This is especially important if you're in a niche where timing really matters, like news channels or trending topics. So yes, upload timing can give you a small boost early on, but it's not everything. Now, back to the question, what's the best time to upload? Use that YouTube Studio chart. Find the start of your audience's most active window and schedule your upload there to maximize early views. You can also think logically about your audience. For example, if your audience is mostly students, don't upload during school hours. If your viewers are working adults, evenings or weekends might work best. If you don't have access to that chart yet, just use your own judgment and test a few upload times. If you're building a consistent channel, I definitely recommend picking a regular upload time and sticking with it. Just make sure it's a reasonable time for your audience. Alright, if you've made it this far, I'm guessing you found some value in this video. If you liked this, all I ask is a subscribe. Want to learn YouTube automation in the AI finance niche? Watch this video and I'll see you there. Bye!